the way I found it very helpful, and it might work for some or not, but for me especially, has been to diversify what I do. And that really has helped me take care of my whole self,
Yes.
and do, continue to give to my patients and be at the bedside.
Mhm.
Not full time, because I think for me personally it's not sustainable, but it's something I love dearly. So I do 3 days a week. I do hospice care.
Okay.
I visit my patients. One day a week, I am a nurse farmer. So I go to my local farm and we grow vegetables and sell them to the community and, take care of the land.
Yes.
Um, and one day a week, I am a consultant and I do some research. So that keeps, my curiosity fed, and just different parts of ourselves that, it gives me enough time to my mind have some rest, my
Yes.
spirit have some rest.
Yes.
So, I know, for not everybody will be the best strategy, but maybe for some people it is,
Yes,
um
yes,
yeah.
absolutely. I love that you're a nurse farmer. I am too. I am learning, I'm starting, but I've been really pulling people into the community, into our community garden. That is wonderful. I don't even think I've ever heard someone diversify in that way.
Mm.
Excellent. Thank you for sharing. Do you mind explaining a little bit of what Sanciel is for nurses who may
Yes.